I heard we're talking about unsexy products. I've got 5 budget-friendly ones I swear by. Ever since finding this at the drugstore, I haven't used any of those fancy lip masks because this works better. This is the O'Keeffe's Lip Repair Night Treatment. This is designed for seriously chapped lips, and it's the only night lip treatment lip mask that has given me more long-lasting results. This helped bring my lips back to life when they were dry and cracked in winter, plus I like that there's no strong fragrance, and it sinks into the lips quickly. It doesn't just feel like a layer of product sitting on top of your lips. Next is my electronic foot file, especially with summer and sandal season coming up. This is essential. I got this on Amazon for I think $20 from a brand called AmoPay, and it does heavy duty. That setting 1, and that's setting 2. This thing does not mess around. I use it on my heels and any other rough spots on my feet so they look and feel smooth. And then I follow up with my third product, which is also from O'Keeffe's. This is the For Healthy Feet Cream. This is the only foot cream that has ever worked for me. It is super rich, and even just overnight, it makes my feet feel so much softer. No, I'm not showing them to you. I've put my feet online for free one too many times. Next, this 84 pack of pimple patches from AOA Skin, the best I've ever used. They suck everything out. They're similar to other hydrocolloid patches that suck out the gunk from your zits, but they also use tea tree and cica to help soothe the skin around your blemish. So for me, when I use these, I feel like my pimple looks healed quicker because it's doing like double duty. And the pack comes with 2 sizes. There's a large one and a smaller one. Finally, this one's gonna be a super personal preference, but switching to period cups almost 10 years ago has completely changed my life. I've tried a handful of cups over the years, but the salt cup has been my favorite. I feel like it is the most comfortable and leak-free for my body. I put it in the morning, and I don't even have to think about my period until 12 hours later. I don't have to worry about where the nearest bathroom is when I'm out and about. I don't have to worry about when was the last time I changed my tampon, and sleeping on my period got so much more comfortable. It may not be for everybody, but I have convinced several of my friends to switch to cups, and they were incredibly happy that they did. So those are 5 of my favorite unsexy products. Let me know if you want to see a part 2.